Alright, we're off to the races. Let's, this is going to be a battle into the wind. I'm going to do a kitty corner flight, kind of head, you know, a little bit sort of sideways, just a little. This is where I'm going to go. I'm going where I'm going, but I just want to kind of look, I want to fly somewhat sideways. I like that. Okay, so now the question is, how far can I go before I run into radio link issues? And the answer is, I don't know. I know that I've given my permission at a range of 1,800 feet. I can rise to another 60 feet, I think. I don't even want to stop for a second to look at my flight plan, but 1,800 feet, let me look here. 1,800 feet, I can rise to 460, okay. I'm making 16 miles an hour into the wind, that's not bad. Okay, range is 1,400, 1,500. Okay, I'm turning slightly towards the, well, I really want to be over the trees to the right of the cap, the Nyanza cap. This is today's mission. Check it out. 1,800 feet, I can rise now to 460. And I just got a blip, I think, of error. Maybe not. Oh, communication error. Okay, still going. Still going. Still pushing. Alright, I'm going to back off on the throttle. And I'm going to do a slow pan to the left. Gimbal. I think I will gimbal down below the horizon, that's fine. And there it is. Okay, I'm going to increase my altitude some more. Once I get kind of into the woods beyond the cap. That I did not want to do. I did not want to do a fast pan. Let's try that. Okay, let's... Alright. Let me try a little slow pan. This, okay, I'm seeing a degradation in video quality. I'm not seeing an error message, but... Okay, I can go higher here. Trying to kind of do a slow pan to the left here. Okay, video signal is weak. Alright, no kidding. I'm going to allow it to go higher, much higher. I said, how high can I go? 560, I said. Alright, let's, okay, that's about where we're at. I'm pulling it to the right. Video signal is weak. I'm going to, I can't really go as far as I'd like to go. Gimbal, pan, pitch up. Okay, I'm going to just pitch up without going anywhere. This microphone is, picked up the gain a little bit to, this is amazing. It's picked up the volume gain because I'm not talking. Alright, I'm trying to go to the right more, and further back. I know I have totally adequate, okay, device disconnected. Oh, great. Alright, I really, video link is weak. I just have to come home. I can't go any further. I got too many trees in the way. Alright, so I'm going to slide over to the right here. So now I'm getting some good speed. And I can drop, really, well, I don't want to drop altitude because I'm getting a video weak signal again. But I'm flying over Chemical Brook now. That's what that, sort of, there's a pond and there's a sort of a a depression, a linear depression in the trees below. And I'm going to gimbal down so you can see that. Okay. This is the lesser part of town, you might call it, the industrial part of town. I mean, the last time I was up here, it was, the last time I flew over the town forest, which was gorgeous. All right, I gotta drop altitude. I'm gonna try to get this down under something reasonable. All right, let me gimbal up a little. Pan up. I'm still dropping altitude. This is kind of a weird. Okay. Alright, I'm at 400 feet now. Kind of flying across town. I can pitch down a little bit more. Okay. Turning more to the left. Let's see if I can do this without it being a problem. Panning and turning at the same, or panning and going sideways. So this is kind of interesting. So I'm probably pretty much straight overhead right now. I can definitely hear my rotors straight overhead. Alright, what's my time? 15 minutes? Okay, there's the pond. Okay. And I'm just going to let go of the throttle and do a slow pan. Just sort of back. Looking back the way we came. Let me down a little bit. Okay, I'm at 300 feet right now, so pretty much over our immediate neighborhood. Okay, so there's the cap on the top of the screen, and I mean the noteworthy parts of the Nyanza situation is that in the late 70s they decided it was a horrible mess, and it was declared a Superfund site, and over the course of 10 years or so they dug up 45,000 tons of chemical sludge and buried it under that cap. Around the perimeter of the cap it redirects the water, and the cap itself is an impermeable shield that doesn't let any water in. Okay, so anyhow, it's definitely time to come home, so I'm going to pitch down to my standard 86-degree landing pitch angle. Which is where my crosshair just happens to be lined up straight down. I'm going to come on over here. And I'm going to rotate just a little bit so the camera's oriented the same direction I'm facing. Okay, I'm way up, and it's time to come down. I'm still a little off target. Okay, there we are. Right on target. Come on down. 5 miles an hour descent. Square on the target. I'm drifting a little off the bottom. That's okay. Okay. Right on target.